Autonomous aircraft are quickly moving from experimental technology to practical tools, and Pyka's DropShip is a great example of that progress. This all-electric autonomous cargo aircraft recently demonstrated what it can do during the U.S. Army Reserve's Combat Support Training exercise, showing how unmanned aviation could make transporting supplies faster, safer, and more efficient. Unlike traditional cargo aircraft that require a pilot on board, the DropShip flies completely autonomously. Once its mission is planned and approved, the aircraft can take off, follow its route, deliver cargo, and land with very little human intervention. That opens up new possibilities for getting critical supplies into difficult or dangerous locations without putting pilots at risk. One of the biggest advantages of the DropShip is its ability to operate from short, rugged airstrips. It doesn't need large airports or extensive infrastructure, making it useful for military operations, disaster relief, and humanitarian missions where roads may be damaged or inaccessible. Whether it's carrying food, medical supplies, spare parts, or emergency equipment, the aircraft is designed to reach places that are often difficult for conventional transport. Being fully electric also brings several benefits. The aircraft produces no direct emissions during flight and operates much more quietly than traditional fuel-powered planes. Lower operating costs and fewer mechanical components could also make autonomous cargo flights more affordable over time. During the military exercise, the aircraft successfully completed cargo delivery missions alongside human operators, demonstrating that autonomous systems can work as part of larger logistics operations rather than replacing people. The goal is to help reduce workload, improve efficiency, and keep personnel out of hazardous situations whenever possible. Pyka has already built a reputation for autonomous electric aircraft in agriculture, where its aircraft perform precision crop spraying. The DropShip takes that experience into the cargo sector, applying proven autonomous flight technology to logistics. As autonomous aviation continues to advance, aircraft like the DropShip could become common in both military and civilian operations. Remote communities, emergency response teams, and commercial logistics companies could all benefit from faster deliveries without relying on traditional airports or large crews. While there are still regulations and operational challenges to overcome before autonomous cargo aircraft become widespread, demonstrations like this show that the technology is maturing quickly. The combination of electric propulsion, autonomous navigation, and flexible cargo delivery could reshape how supplies move in the future, making transportation more efficient, more sustainable, and better suited for missions where speed and safety matter most.